Hello. Pakora, whether it's rain or sunshine, daytime, afternoon, evening, it is most common snack and they are lovely fritters. My name is Avtaar and I hope you're having a lovely day. Let's look into how I make my pakora to make it really lovely, crispy and crunchy from outside, yet really nice and soft, bursting with the really lovely flavors of the spices that have gone into it. And they're so moreish. You have one and you will want to have more and more. Gram flour. It's made of chickpeas which have been hulled and then it's ground into very fine consistency. So I'm taking one bowl full of roughly chopped potatoes, one bowl full of roughly chopped spinach, roughly chopped or thinly sliced onions, teaspoon of salt, either or both according to your own taste. I've taken half a teaspoon of red chili flakes and I'm going to take some green chilies as well. Just those ingredients is sufficient and they'll give you absolutely yummy, beautiful fritters. I also like to add some optional. This is my homemade chaat masala. It gives that bit of tanginess. You could actually replace it with a bit of lemon juice. A teaspoon of carom seeds, tiny little seeds, and they have the digestion properties. Got 2 teaspoons of the whole coriander seeds. Just crush them. My most favorite ingredient into the pakora is fresh mint. Chop this roughly. So when you're having the pakora, now and then you will have that flavor of the mint coming through, caraway seeds and coriander seed, and they are absolute delight to have them in the pakora. So all of that goes in. Initially, I've thrown everything into the mixing bowl and I haven't added the water. Just coat it all together. The besan or my gram flour is still dryish, so I'll put some drops of water and I want to make it into a dropping consistency. Some more water. I still haven't made it very runny, but my flour and the spices have coated all over. So make it like something that drops into the kadai or the frying pan where I'm going to fry it in, and that is enough. I'll drop 1 spoon at a time into the kadai. Going to throw that in. You can tell it's getting fried and it comes up. So that's my oil is ready. You do not want it to be burning hot because that will cause the pakora to burn from the top surface. The ingredients won't get cooked thoroughly. Just a few spoonfuls. You will also find that these pakoras are made in many different variations as well with different ingredients. These are looking rough shapes. So you cook them until they get golden in color, and the different texture or the shape actually gives it a nice element of the different variations of the crispness and the softness, and that's what the beauty about the pakora is. They've turned into beautiful golden color. The aromas are coming through. That means they are ready to be taken out of the oil. And I've just gone and measured my oil. It's roughly about 140 degrees temperature. From that one potato and onion, I've got a massive big plate full of pakora. They're bursting with the flavors. Very, very crispy. Absolutely delicious. On that note, I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for being with us. We see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye for now and God bless you all.